In this video, I'm going to teach you what the global object is. The global object provides variables and functions that are available anywhere. Think of global object as code outside a function. Let's get started. So a global object within a browser is a window object. So if I print out window and refresh, as we can see, we printed out a global object window, which by default is a global object within a browser. And you might have used alert before if you watched my previous video. So you can do either alert or window alert. This will be all the same thing. Like if we refresh, hello, and then hello again, because we called it twice. So if you declare a variable with var, any name right here, this automatically becomes the property of global object. Let's refresh. Let me comment out the alerts. And then if we open up our window object, if we go down right here, we can find test. As you can see, test variables right here that we declared. It automatically goes onto global object. It becomes a property of the global object. Same thing with global functions. Let's refresh in console log. Our function got called. I'm a function. But if you look at our global object window, you can see that this function also became a global object property. And I think that's pretty good to know. In general, in most languages, you don't want to create global variables. But this is good to know that there's a window object within the browser that has all types of different properties here and functions that you could use. In ES6 of JavaScript, if you use let or const, the variable won't be a global variable. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I'll see you soon.